Hi guys, Candace from Gagne Farms. We're out at a local berry patch today. We're picking some blueberries to make blueberry jam today. We're gonna make up some blueberry jam today. We've got a little story to share with you as we go. We'll share those details. Let's get busy. I'm gonna take our blueberries and we're gonna dump them into the water and clean them off. There we go, that's 10 pounds of blueberries. Our intention was to make blueberry jam from our own blueberries here on Gagne Farms. We went out and picked for days, and we only got like a little bowl full. So we decided to go to a local farm and get some blueberries. These are so much bigger than ours. Ours are not really blueberries, they're huckleberries. Anyway, so we needed a lot more blueberries to make the jam that we wanted to. I'm gonna measure out 8 cups of berries and put them into the blender because we need to mash them up. 8 cups is what it takes for one batch. We're obviously gonna do more than one batch, but I wanna make sure I have the correct measurements. I'm just gonna pulse these just to get them kind of crushed up. I'm not gonna like blend them into liquid or anything. All right, and then our berries go in the pot. This is my second batch of 8 cups of berries that I put in here, and it kind of looks like we might have a third even left over. Since we didn't get enough berries here, we went down the road to Brickleberry Farm, and they have an amazing blueberry farm. It's like huge, it's awesome. Got a little hot because it was just before a thunderstorm, but really nice place to pick berries. We could just go up and down the rows and got tons of berries.
Are we gonna call that 3 batches or what?
Mm-hmm. They had horses there. They had Highland cows. Those were super cool. That was my first Highland cow that I saw up close. It sniffed me and ran away. I don't know, maybe I was sweating too much. And people that worked there were fabulous, so nice. It was just kind of a leisurely place to pick berries, and it was a good time. I'm gonna put 6 tablespoons of lemon juice into my crushed berries. I'm going to put in 3 packs of pectin, so this is 1.75 ounces per pack, and since we're doing 3 batches, I'm putting 3 in. We're going to turn the burner on. We need to put it on high because we have to bring this to a full rolling boil before we put the sugar in. We got it on. I'm going to give this pectin a stir. It's a little big for my trivet. While I'm waiting for the berries to come up to boil, I'm going to measure out my sugar because once that boils, we're going to add in our sugar, and then the process goes pretty fast after that because it'll go back up to a boil and you'll stir it for a minute until it can't, well, bring it to a boil until it can't be stirred down, and then stir it for a minute while it's boiling like that, and that's it. So I like to have this measured out and ready to go. It takes 7 cups per batch, and we're doing 3 batches, so we need 21 cups of sugar. Well, that's 4. I'm gonna put a half a stick of butter in here. The butter helps keep it from foaming up so much. And then our sugar is gonna go in because we're boiling now. So in goes 21 cups of sugar.
Maybe.
Hopefully it fits.
Maybe.
Come on, baby. No whammies, no whammies. All right. Oh boy. That's a lot of sugar.
Old Candace there had to call in some reinforcements on the 21 cup of sugar stirring. It's okay. I'm here in the background just helping out anyways. That's a lot of sugar to get incorporated into this jam mixture, but oh, there's our butter. Parquet. So we're gonna let this come back up to a rolling boil that you can't stir away, and then you let it go for you stir it constantly for a minute. Then we're gonna go to the next step. Alright, so that's boiling. As I'm stirring this, it's not going away. So we're going to set our timer here for 1 minute. Maybe. Alright. Just want to keep stirring this. Stir, stir, stir. This is a lot of blueberry jam. So now, we're going to jar this stuff up. We're going to try to get a little assembly line going here between me and Candace and get this jarred as fast as we can so we can get it outside. And we're going to start water bath canning this. We'll show you how to do that coming up. Alright, I'm going to shut the heat off. And I'm going to start jarring. We're leaving a 1/4 inch headspace.
Yep. That butter did work really good for
there's
keeping
not
that
much
foam down.
Foam in there. I thought about maybe trying to skim some of it, but we have a hodgepodge of jars right here, so
Using what we have.
Using.
So my job's going to be to wipe the rims and put the lids on. And then we're ready for water bath can.
Alright, our canner is boiling. Excuse the mess around here. I've had multiple projects going on for about a week now, and it's even messy for my liking. Alright, so we're going to process these guys for 15 minutes, and I've got a whole bunch of different sizes, so we are going to get as many in here as possible. We're going to have obviously multiple batches. There we go. All right, we got this down. Not gonna mess with it, just gonna let it go 15 minutes. We're gonna pull them out, get another batch going. I'm trying to get through this as quick as I can because we got thunderstorms coming right at us. And I don't wanna be caught out here in a thunderstorm right now. So that's why I got it going in the barn too. In case it does start raining before I get done, I can shut the barn doors and at least finish up. So, all right, we're gonna let this go 15 minutes. Come right back, pull these guys out, and get another batch going.
Did you hear that?
No.
It's thundering.
Oh, awesome. All right, our 15 minutes are up. We're gonna pull this batch and get the next ones down as fast as possible. And look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay. So you guys don't want to touch these, okay? You want to get them out of the water bath canner and put them on a towel somewhere in the house. Let them cool off. Don't touch them for 24 hours. And let those lids seal. Ooh, popping already. So we're going to hurry up here and get the next batch done. We do have some severe weather coming our way, so might make for an interesting evening.
Ooh, steamy. Okie dokie.
All right, 15 minutes.
We had a great day at the blueberry patch and making blueberry jam today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and we will catch you on the next one.